Hey everyone! Today, I've got something super exciting for you. We're diving into the world of making money online websites where you can start earning cash ASAP. And get this, you can cash out daily or within 24 hours. Ready? Let's dive right in. Alright, first up on our list is Scribie. Scribie is your go-to spot for transcription gigs. Basically, you get paid to listen to audio and video and type out what you hear. Easy, right? Head over to Sribie.com, hit up the freelancers section, and boom, you're in for some transcription action. Now, here's the sweet deal. You can make anywhere from $5 to $20 per audio hour. And guess what? They've got this nifty automated transcript feature that saves you a ton of typing time. So, even though it might not seem like much per hour, when you factor in the time you save, it's actually pretty good. Plus, they're all about flexibility. No need to block out huge chunks of your day. You can squeeze in a file or two after your regular 9 to 5 gig. And get this, the files are usually short, around 6 minutes tops, so you can knock a few out in no time. And the best part, no experience is needed. As long as you've got good English skills, a PayPal account, a computer, internet, and some headphones, you're good to go. Oh, and did I mention there's no minimum withdrawal limit? Your earnings hit your PayPal account within 1 business day. How's that for quick cash? So if you're looking to make some extra dough on the side, Scribbie's definitely worth checking out. Before we continue, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss all the side hustle ideas on this channel. The next one is called SuperPay, and let me tell you, it lives up to its name. SuperPay is all about paying you quickly for doing simple tasks. Want to make money by taking surveys? Well, you're in luck because SuperPay's got your back. And guess what? You can get paid today. Yep, they're all about that instant payout life. However, this is purely for side hustle cash. Don't expect to earn thousands of dollars or become a millionaire with this one. But hey, a few extra bucks a day never hurt anybody, right? And the best part is, they've got loads of payment options like Amazon, PayPal, and more. So getting your cash is easy peasy. And get this, they've got this 8-hour payment promise. That means you can cash out and have your money in your pocket within 8 hours. Plus, you can cash out with as little as $1 in your account. That's right, no need to wait until you've racked up a huge amount. Oh, and did I mention they've already paid out over $6 million to their members? That's a whole lot of dough. Plus, with a Trustpilot score of 4.4 out of 5 stars, you know you're dealing with a legit company. So, if you're looking to earn some extra cash with minimal effort, SuperPay might just be your new best friend. Up next is called Citizen.me, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Citizen.me is all about surveys, but hold up, these aren't your run-of-the-mill surveys. Nope, they're quick, they're easy, and best of all, they pay out daily. That's right, you can see those dollars rolling in every single day. And here's the scoop on their ratings. They're sitting pretty at 4.2 out of 5 stars. That's some serious love from the users. Plus, they've got screenshots galore, so you can see exactly what you're getting into. Now, when it comes to surveys, they cover all sorts of topics. From the random to the downright intriguing, there's something for everyone. Plus, they tailor surveys to your demographic, so you're not wasting time on stuff that doesn't interest you. And here's the kicker. They take your privacy seriously. Like super seriously. No data sharing, no funny business. It's all about keeping your info safe and sound. So if you're cool with taking surveys and you're down to make a few extra bucks, Citizen.me is where it's at. Whether you're waiting in line, pumping gas, or just killing time, you can earn cash on the go. And did I mention you get paid daily? Talk about instant gratification. Qmee.com is the ultimate destination for earning extra cash online. Now, get this. They've already shelled out over 45 million bucks to their users. Yeah, you heard that right, 45 million. And they're no newbie to the game either. With over 10 years under their belt, they're practically veterans in the biz. So, what's the deal with Qmee? Well, it's all about those paid online surveys that pay you instantly. None of that waiting around for your dough. Nah, with Qmee, you cash out instantly. And check it out, their Trustpilot scores are off the charts. We're talking 4.2 out of 5 stars for a verified company. Now that's what I call legit. And the best part, you can earn anytime, anywhere. Whether you're chilling at home or on the go, Qmee's got your back. And when it comes to payment, they've got options. PayPal, Venmo, you name it. Oh, and don't forget about those sweet gift cards. But wait, there's more. Not only can you earn by giving your opinion in surveys, but you can also score cash back while shopping and snag some killer discounts at your favorite online stores. Plus, they've got games and other fun stuff to keep you entertained. So if you're all about making a few extra bucks in your spare time, Qmee is where it's at. It's easy, it's fun, and hey, who doesn't love a little extra cash in their pocket? Do you think websites like these are worth the time? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Share this video, leave a like, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the money-making side hustle ideas on this channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.